हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द यूट्यूब चैनल इंग्लिश ओवर द मोबाइल फ़ोन। मैं रवि देतलिया आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ टॉप 25 इंग्लिश वोकेबलरी वर्ड्स विच विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू टू इन्हेंस योर इंग्लिश वोकेबलरी एज वेल एज योर इंग्लिश फ्लुएंसी. So let's start with the first word, fireproof. It means agnirodhak. The second word is misbehave. It means durvyavahar. The third word is missing. It means gum. The fourth word is lifelong. It means zindagi bhar. The fifth word is conquer. It means jeetna. The sixth word is hunter. It means shikari. The seventh word is villager. It means gramvasi. The eighth word is freak. It means sunki. Ninth word is gorgeous. It means बहुत खूबसूरत. The 10th word is rebellion. It means विद्रोह. The 11th word is show off. It means दिखावा करना. The 12th word is hooligans. It means बदमाश. The 13th word is tendency. It means प्रवृत्ति. The 14th word is fearless. It means neither. The 15th word is defeat. It means harana. The 16th word is revenge. It means badla. The 17th word is sidewalk. It means footpath. The 18th word is stammer. It means haklana. The 19th word is orphan. It means anath. The 20th word is treasure. It means khazana. The 21st word is strike. It means hartal. The 22nd word is challenge. It means chunauti. The 23rd word is coward. It means kair. The 24th word is minimum. It means nyuntam. The 25th and last word is disappoint. It means nirash. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and share for more videos.